Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here at SMT Nuremberg 2014 and I'm joined by Richard from Omron. Richard, thanks for stopping by to chat. Start by telling me a little bit about the portfolio of products that Omron offers.
Okay, so Omron is a worldwide company with a lot of different divisions acting in automotive, medical stuff and industrial. And we have also a division specialized in inspection range of equipment.
Okay, and that's what you're promoting here?
Yes, especially in the Fraunhofer Institute SMT line.
Okay.
We organize a fully production line with AT Care, our representative in Germany.
Yeah.
And then we are proud to show our full range of solder paste inspection, automatic optical inspection machine, and also X-ray inspection machine. So it's a full range of inspection machine in 3 dimensions.
Okay, and are they sitting in 3 separate places on the line?
Yes, correct. They are just after the printing process, then after the pick and place process as well, and then the reflow process, and then you have at the end the X-ray systems.
Okay, and would that be common for someone to have that number of machines, or does it vary quite a lot in production environments?
Yeah, you know, Omron started with inspection equipment since 30 years now, so we are really specialized and focused on solder joint inspection. And then the market demand grow with the complete offer with solder paste inspection and AOI and AXI as well.
Okay, so starting from the beginning, SPI is the first chance to inspect. With a lot of the SPI companies and with the print companies, we're hearing about kind of closed loop communication, that kind of thing.
Yes.
Is that something that Omron's able to support?
That's obviously today it's mandatory to have this closed loop system, not only for the printing system, but also for the pick and place system. Yeah. So you can of course stop the errors, and also you can prevent and correct the errors afterwards.
Yeah.
So
okay.
it's very useful to have this.
Yeah. Yes. And so by having your machines occur a number of times in the line, you can create a number of gates, a number of loops that feed back information.
This is exactly the goal of our platform, which is called QUpNevi, which is a comparison of images through the process. That means if you have an error detected by the system, you can analyze very quickly the difference between the solder paste inspection, pre-reflow, post-reflow, and then you can catch the deviation of your system very quickly.
Okay, so identify where the errors occurred, circle back and make sure you can make
so you create a closed loop not only for the machine only, but for the process, complete process.
For the line, which is what's ideal. And we talk about that intelligence on equipment and then intelligence on the line, and then further along in the supply chain, we get into those kind of industry 4.0 debates that we're hearing more and more of in Germany. Is Omron involved in that kind of discussion and debate?
Yes, we start the discussion with, thanks to our distributor, ATK, which is really involved in the test environment, and we are involved in this with several industrial in these steps. Yes, it's a very important next step in the technology to be with.
Okay, and in terms of your market here in Europe, the German market seems very strong at the moment. What about the other markets? What about Eastern Europe?
I would say, generally speaking, German markets are the most dynamic of the markets in Europe. I would say Northern Europe is quite good as well, but we are also some crisis in the south of Europe, so we are directly impacted about this market. But it's now starting to recovering. So it sounds good, but now people are focusing mainly on 3 dimensions inspection.
Right.
It's not only a fashion, it's really a concern for the people to look at the solder joint, comply with IPC standard. And this is what we offer with our system to measure the solder joints in 3 dimensions.
Okay, makes perfect sense. And last question, what's the first day of SMT Nuremberg been like for you?
Hopefully, I would say it's a very good day. We were expecting a little bit less as a first day as a show, but unexpectedly we have a lot of visits focusing on AOI. That's really great. And the position we have in the Fraunhofer line is a really good position to show a real system running with 3D inspection.
That's really nice. That's something that's unique to SMT, but something that's very important and very successful year after year.
This is very helpful and also useful for the customer to understand how it works.
Yeah, and nice to be involved in it. Yes. Richard, thanks very much for your time. Thanks for stopping by. A pleasure to chat.
Yep, thank you very much for it.